It's a beautiful day in California today, YouTube. And there's my grandfather.
It's the beautiful day in the neighborhood. Da, da, dum, da, dum.
Would you like to introduce yourself?
Me llamo Francisco. Yo soy el padre de Kristen y el abuelo de Valentino.
Es mi abuelo. There is my family over there. We're gonna catch up to them very shortly. We are going for a little walk today.
Remember these?
That's our little adventure. Right now it is very nice outside. Not cold, not hot, just right.
Perfecto.
And I'm very glad to be here too. The sun is nice. It feels nice to just get a break from Vegas, so this is a nice refresher for me. Now he's just socializing with his neighbors. You know, it's a good day to talk to people. We're just chilling outside. And there's my parents right there. Say hi, guys. Boy, what the hell, boy? That is weird. My grandpa being slow like usual. And we are at the park. My grandpa here is gonna push me on the swing.
Oh, I am?
Yeah, thank you, Grandpa. I appreciate that.
Okay. There we go. Ready?
Yeah,
Oh.
like the good old times.
Oh, wait, my little boy.
Oh, okay. No, come on.
The underdog.
Go more.
You gotta learn how to pump. Look at your mother.
You don't know how to pump?
I know how to pump. Tell the viewers why they should go outside, Grandpa.
Fresh air.
Yeah.
It's obvious. See nature. See the wild animals. The insects.
You hear him, guys. Listen.
There you go.
Yeah.
Huh?
Plus,
And it's
vitamin
calming.
D increases your testosterone.
Well, I don't know about that, but I don't know if there's enough there. But it helps. Every little bit helps.
Yeah, it does. So go outside, guys.